Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to implement Sky in React 3 Fiber. So let's get started. So here you can see I have this Sky implemented for my app, and if I change this values, try to change it. Here you can see the Sky changes as well. Actually the directional light is changing, and with that we are modifying it. So hopefully you got the point of how I am exactly changing it. So let's see how to do this. So first I have created a React application using Vite, but you can use whatever framework you prefer. Then inside package.json I have installed few dependencies: React 3 Dray, React 3 Fiber, and Leva. If you want to see this particular changing of values, this should only be used for debug purposes, not for production. React 3 performance, just to check the performance, and 3 dependency, and inside dev dependency I have added type/3. Next, inside app.tsx I have just imported canvas from React 3 Fiber. I have given it some shadows, and here is some custom React component which I have created called experience. So if you go to experience.tsx, these are all the imports. Here I have taken one cube ref and sphere ref as well. This is our directional light. This helper is just to show you this yellow color thing. Again, this is just for debug purpose. You don't really require this use helper. And here I am just rotating our cube. So this is the sun position. This use controls is from Leva. I am defining the sun position over here, and here as you can see this is performance. This is here we are importing Sky, and we are just setting the sun position to it. Here is our orbit controls, and if you see the directional light position is the same as sun position. This is very important. Rest is fine. Here is sphere mesh, here is our cube mesh, and here is our plane mesh. So pretty simple stuff. Yeah, that's how you can implement Sky. All you have to do is just import Sky from React 3 Dray and give it some position, and make sure the directional light has the same position as your sun position. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.